nice weather. I like this kind of weather. It's very romantic. Oh, Elkan, are you here?
Yes, I am.
You don't have umbrella. Come join. What happened? Is it cold?
Yes, of course.
Do you like this kind of weather?
No, I don't like.
Why? I like it. It's very romantic.
No, because my mood depends on the weather. That's why.
Oh, it depends on the weather. It means you don't like it.
No, I don't like the rainy weather.
When it is rainy, I'm just going to the outside and just feeling the fresh air, drops of the rain. I like it very much. That's why every time I'm walking in the rain.
It means you are a romantic person.
Am I?
Yeah.
You're not?
No.
Okay. I like the drops. I like romantic music. You don't have umbrella?
No.
Rain stopped? Okay. It is stopped. We didn't know. Hello again. How are you? Are you tired? Tired or not? Okay. My name is Chinara. From yesterday, some students, some participants know me, and
I am Ilkana.
and we are happy to be here, and we are happy to see you here, okay? And you know our topic is integration of the English and geography. I will be, as an English teacher here, Miss Ilkana will be a science teacher. Okay, let's begin our lesson. Today, I will give you some information about weather. It will be as you know, you have some handouts. These are vocabulary. Why this vocabulary, especially these? Because we wanted to give you some vocabulary. They are advanced vocabulary about not sunny, not rainy. Because in the primary we learn about weather. It's just a special advanced one, okay? And we will learn about that after this time. You will just practice with Miss Ilkana, this vocabulary. You can read, it is overcast, yeah? When the sky is completely covered clouds. How we call it in the primary? It is? Cloudy, yeah, it's cloudy. Precipitation, it is any form of water like rain, snow. It's like when you are feeling that it is coming rain, yeah? Drop of water, yeah? It's sense of water. This falling from the sky, drizzling, drizzling. Light rain of small drops, downpour, heavy storm, yeah? When we are it's very, very heavy, we say it's like pouring from the sky, yeah. Dog and cat, yeah. It's like an idiom, yeah, you want to say, yeah. Gale is strong wind, often used to marine weather reports. And cold front, it's a boundary where cold air is replacing warm air. Heat wave, can you read? Who want to read? I'm sorry, from yesterday lesson, you were so quiet. Of course, not new participants. Please, today, be very active. I know it is last lesson, yeah, we have to finish, and you will take your certificate, but let's do it interactively. You can also read. From here, I can read, you can also read. Let's read one by one, yeah? Who wants to begin? Do you wanna? Yes. Yes, from a heat wave, begin please. What is heat wave? From here, you can explain from yourself, it doesn't matter for me.
Heat wave is a prolonged period of excessively hot weather.
Okay, it is long-term hot weather. Oh, it's very hot and it is?
Almost every day.
Yes, it's heating, it's very...
Strong rays of the sun.
Yeah. It's...
Destroy the plants and the
yeah, especially in summertime it is, yeah. Second one? Please. Yeah.
The amount of moisture in the air.
Air. Amount of moisture in the air, it means it's also water. Feeling, sense of water, yeah? Sense of...
When the weather is wet.
It can be. Primary, yes, we say if the weather is wet. Yes, but advanced, you're also. Yeah, very good. You're welcome. Very good. You can help us, okay? Together we will do it. Okay, scorching.
Extremely hot weather, when weather is so hot.
So hot, it's burning like, oh, I'm burning, I'm dying from the hot weather. And
Can maybe fire scorching.
fire scorching, yeah, you're right. Yeah, frostbite, it's injury, you can take a seat.
In Azerbaijan, we say bite the cold with the bite our body.
Yeah, it is very, very cold. Yeah, injure our body, our skin. If we feel the cold in our skin, that's why. Yeah.
It will affect our skins, and our skins will become
So dry, so damaged. Yeah.
A service snowstorm with a high wind.
Okay.
At the same time, snow and the same time winds. It will happen, and we cannot drive our cars because of the weather.
Okay, it's hard. It's hard time for the drivers. This one. Hurricane.
I think everyone knows this hurricane.
A tropical storm without wind, violent wind. It's just woo with the sound. It's coming and going with the sound. Do you want to change the teacher? Next one, you say yeah, listen.
Okay, then.
Visibility, as you said, driver's visibility.
Yes,
When it is
visibility is the distance one can see clearly, often affected by fog or mist.
missed. Okay, thank you. Who is next? Do you want to continue, please? Come continue. Yeah, you can come. Be active, please.
The barometric pressure, the pressure exerted by the atmosphere, important for perceiving weather change.
Changing.
This is the air pressure, always the two kinds of the pressure, the low and the big in the equatorial and the
Yes.
mild climates. There is the low pressure and it causes the rain.
Yeah, when we are going to the mountain, pressure is high. When we are going down, its pressure is going.
Force the air to rise.
Yes, jet steam.
Jet steam, a fast-flowing air current in the upper atmosphere.
Influences.
Like the jet,
Do you know jet lag? Jet lag, when you are going some places.
Very speedy.
Yeah, when it's
Wind, like the very speedy.
change the place, very.
Yes, change place to place.
Uh-huh.
Do you point the point that if the air reach this point, it will be rain?
Yeah.
The wind chill, the
Preserve decrease in temperature felt by skin. Do you, like you said, is all your body feel the wind, yeah?
Yes.
Drizzling, like you are drizzling, yeah?
The Toronto is a very hot, very heavy.
Heavy rain, like it's also, heavy rain, partially cloudy.
Half of the,
Yeah, it's half of them. Not full, it is partially, okay.
50%.
Okay, thank you helping me. Again, let's repeat again together. I will tell, you will tell the definition, okay? Because we will do it, practice with her. We have to know all the words, okay? Overcast.
When the sky is completely covered with the
Okay, one by one. You, second one, precipitation.
Type of the rain.
Any part of the water, okay? Drizzling. Light rain, okay? Downpour, you're also active. Heavy rainstorm, you're right. Cold front. Today, please, be active. Your name, please.
Oh, I can wait.
Because yesterday you were so quiet. Today, be active, please, okay? And cold front, a boundary where cold air is replacing warm air. It is the bound of the cold. Okay, heat wave. Who wanna? Teachers. Hot weather, yes. Humidity. Amount of water, moisture. Scorching. Oil. Extremely hot, yeah. What is blizzard? It's high winds, windy and snowy together, mixing. Yeah, visibility, drivers.
Invisible.
Yes, it's visibility. If it is invisible, we cannot see. If it is not invisible, it is visible. It means we can see. Dew point.
Which one?
Dew point here. Dew point. Yeah. The temperature at comes here.
Condensation.
It's condensation coming for example, it is good. Yeah. It's coming one state to another state. Yeah. Here, torrential. This heavy rain. Yeah. And partially cloudy, not fully. It is partially. It is going sometimes. It is going to rain, but sometimes it's not. It's going. It's partially, not fully. Okay. Okay. I will ask again during the lesson. Okay. Now.
Can you continue, please? What is meteorology?
The field of the science, the learns about the weather processing or something tools to measure the weather, humidity, temperature, atmosphere.
Yes.
Changing, yes.
Changing. Yes, of course, you are right. Meteorology is a scientific study of atmosphere. The next question is that why we monitor the weather?
To know the weather, because some people think that we will plant something, crops, and during rainy times we cannot plow the land, and we need to know our forecast.
You mean planning?
The weather.
Yeah, planning.
Yes.
Can we say yes?
Traveling or planning something.
Planning
Planning
something. Okay, other opinion, please. Why is important monitoring the weather? Planning? What? Traveling.
Working in the field.
Traveling, outdoor activities, yes. Clothes, daily activity.
Or not affect your emotions, the weather.
Yes, mood. Yes, of course. Mood. And what? Clothes. Can we say daily activities?
Yes.
Okay.
Playing in the playground.
Planning programs. Yeah, planning. We said planning for something. And is it important for natural disasters?
Yes.
Yes, why?
To predict natural disasters.
Yes, of course.
Not to aware of some car crashes or something else.
Yes, because early detection of hurricanes, tornadoes, storms, yes, improve the weather forecasting, and we can change the individual's places from one place to the other place. And we need for preparation and evacuation of the individuals. Then, who have any opinion?
We are something.
Yes, we say clothes. Agriculture, can we say? Agriculture. Why? Can you explain it, please?
Because in the rain, we cannot plow the land.
Yes, for planting.
To the land.
Planting, for irrigation and harvesting crops. Okay, then can we say construction?
Yes, of course, in the high buildings you must.
Yes, in a good weather. Can we say?
Cements and beton, the material can be cracked in the
and the moisture.
Yes. Can we say marine and aviation safety? Aviation and marine safety. Yes. Please, can you explain this group? Daily activities. Why is important for aviation and marine safety?
Big waves.
Air travel, sea travel.
Big waves can turn the ship.
Yes, of course.
Rainy weather affect for
Or tornadoes. Yes, thunderstorms.
We had
Yes.
this kind of problem we had.
Yeah.
We had disaster plane, that's why.
It's so important and crucial. Okay, to set up the monitoring weather, several instruments are used. These tools are used to providing weather forecasting and giving information and also giving data about weather. The first of them, thermometer. You know what's thermometer?
We can measure with thermometers the hotness and coldness.
Measures how the weather is.
Yes, provides data on heat levels in the atmosphere. What is barometer?
We can measure the air pressure.
Yes, who knows how many types air pressure we have?
I think two.
Two. Which?
Barometer anaeroids.
Yes, barometer and
Yes.
I can't remember, but I know that it has two types.
No, I said how many types of pressure.
Types of pressure.
Yes.
Liquid pressure,
Low
air
and,
pressure.
low and high.
Yes, low and high pressure systems. Okay, anemometer. Anemometer is,
Measure the
Speed
wind
of
speed.
wind.
yes, wind speed and directions. Rain gauge is used,
Yes, rainfall.
rainfall. Today we have group work, that's why you should know about this. What do you need? You need to know date and time. Because firstly, record the date and time of each observation. Secondly, you need to know temperature. Record the temperature of each observation because you know every countries have different time zones. Wind speed and direction. Record the wind speed and direction using a compass. Also, you can use API data and computer devices, IT devices you can use. Today we will use IP data. Then rainfall, record the rainfall in inches and millimeters. Also you can use rain and again API data or weather station. The next one, also, firstly, you need to know patterns and trends. Firstly, you will structure temperature, rainfall, wind speed and direction changing over the time. Then you will identify patterns and trends what happen in the atmosphere, and you will compare patterns and trends in the atmosphere. Also, you can use different charts and graphs for showing rainfall, temperature, wind speed and directions. Then the main, yes, the main subjects.
We know it. About France? From the vocabulary.
Yes,
What
we
is it?
have.
It's boundaries between masses with different
Temperatures and densities.
Okay, yeah. Pressure system. What is it? From your vocabulary, you should know. What's pressure? What is it?
Pressure systems.
High pressure
Yeah,
and low pressure.
low pressure
You have to know
systems.
the difference.
Yeah, when the
between
weather
them.
is closely or very cold, it's high pressure.
It's high pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this
And-
is high, that's why.
Yeah, as we told before, when you're going upper and upper, it's going to be high, and when lower, it's going to be
Yes.
low. Yeah, precipitation. What is it?
Water.
Water falling to the earth. This is our integration to our English and geography. Yeah.
And I want to ask one question. How many types do you know fronts?
Two types of the front, cold and heat.
Or the main types, yes, they are cold and warm fronts, also stationary and occluded fronts. Today we will have experiment about warm fronts. Okay, can you talk about the movement of molecules in the cold water?
Okay, so we know about states of matters. We know that there are three types of states of matters: solid, liquid, and gas. And today we will talk about liquids. So the molecules in liquids,
yes.
they are far apart with each other, and they can flow. They can
You
flow.
can show.
Yes. So this one is cold water, and this one is hot water.
The molecules in the cold water moves quickly, but the molecules in the the molecules in the hot water moves quickly.
Yes, their speeds are greater than in the hot waters. In the hot waters. For example, let's think we have a bowl of water on the fire, and what we can feel that when the molecules becoming heater, they are coming to the upward, and sometimes they are evaporating. So they are evaporating. That's why their density is becoming not greater, slowly.
Slowly.
Yes, slowly.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
but cold waters density, they are greater than hot waters. That's why they are becoming to the, which part?
Down.
Down part, yes.
Thanks a lot. We talked about molecules in the hot water move quickly more than molecules in the cold water. Now we will explain air masses. Cold front. In a cold front, how? 1 minute. I am waiting for hot water. Now I will explain warm fronts for you.
Here is our color.
How warm front occurs? Firstly, the warm air mass moves into or moves under a cold air masses, and cold air masses becomes higher than warm air mass. Now you will see. And also this action happens in the geography and happens in the nature, and then warm front, cold front happens.
Now, are you ready?
Yeah.
And also in the nature happens like this. A warm air mass moves into or moves under a cold air masses.
It's not mixing.
Yes, I know.
Because of the density of the molecules. Yeah. It's density of the molecules, as you just before explained. Okay.
And they have different temperatures, that's why.
Yes, because that's why we said cold water and hot water. Molecules in the hot water moves quickly more than molecules in the cold water. That's why they are not mixing.
Blue color is given to cold water and the red one is to the hot water.
Because hot water's molecule is thick, it has difficult density. And cold, it has different density. That's
I
why.
see that the color, I mean the color.
Color, it doesn't matter. We can change the color, it doesn't matter.
No, just taps, you know taps when you just get a revolution, it's the red one is for hot water.
Yeah, higher concentrations, it's happened when they have the different densities. Because of, for example, we have hot water. We have cold water and warm water.
It's different. Why it is blue? Why it
Blue
is
and red.
It would just.
Why they are not mixing? You question?
No, it's another.
No. We chose it just because real water every time it is just like blue one. That's why we chose blue for cold one. That's why it's real one. It is chemical process. It's coming from here. That's why we chose red one. Because you have to see how it is going together and not mixing. That's why we chose here blue. It's just water. You know, water doesn't have any color.
Yeah.
We have to show it. Blue and red, it's not going together. That's why first one we chose blue one. It's real, just water. We are drinking, we are using.
Yeah, in the
This one is
restroom,
red.
in the restroom, bathroom, right? Colors, red and blue.
That's
Because of that, it's also because of that. Hot water is blue, it's just water. You're drinking, you're washing your hands, you're doing whatever you want, cleaning. Cold water, hot water, it's red because it is burning, making red maybe. It can be burned, it can make you red, that's why it's natural maybe. Temperature is higher, it's like thermometer, it is going up, it is red also. Because of it want to show the redness natural things, yeah? That's why. Okay, and now Mr. Kana showed us everything. Now we will work on our computer. Okay, you will, as a presenter, you will write your countries, your Azerbaijan, as you see from worksheet, from flag. You are England from your worksheet, and as a city, you will choose Baku, you will choose London, and here is Istanbul, yeah, Turkey. But I will show you Ganja in Azerbaijan. Who is Ganja? Do we have any person from Ganja? We don't have? Okay. Randomly we chose Ganja. Teacher asked me which city you want. I said Ganja. I'm from Ganja, by the way. That's why maybe. Okay. This is our app. This is Zoom Earth. You can work on it anytime you want. It's just online program, I would say. Online app you can call it. Okay, here. We have here searching. You are writing here Ganja, Azerbaijan. Just here pressing. Ganja. Okay? Here. Zooming. Ganja. It is. What do you want to know? Do you want to know about precipitation? You are just showing here. We don't have here any wind. No, I'm sorry, any rain there. That's why we don't have anything. If you go wind, look. Yeah, you see? We have here 8. From it is here northeast, yeah. The side is northeast. We have here wind, yeah. If you want to know about wind speed, take your handout. What? As you see, just. Conclusion. Yes. Okay. As you see, we have here studio. This is not, of course, a real studio. Just we made it for you. What would you do? We are, as a presenter, you write your country, your city, yeah? Then you will write about that. You can take note, you can write like essay, you can write like present, how they are presenting. But you have here some rules you have to follow. First of all, it should be clear and concise. Not so long, not so just, it should be very interesting and clear and concise, small. Here, engaging audience. How I am speaking, how the presenters, you have to draw their attention. No, you cannot do that. Like you are just drawing their attention. With your beauty maybe, with your dress maybe, your gestures, your face, okay? Body language maybe. Here, connect to real life. Of course, it should be connected to the real life. For example, well, the teacher told you, what should you do? First, you have to know the date. Yeah? Today is, write the date, please. And write your city. Yeah. Right there, top of the, yes. Right, the date, 28 January, and time.
Time?
Yeah, straight. It's straight. Okay. Where did London? Right, London. Your Baku. It doesn't matter for me. Where you want, you can write. Top of the paper. Yeah, group. Yeah. We have here. Can you listen, please? I'm sorry. You have here 3 groups and 3 countries, 3 cities. Then you enter there. Here we have searching here. Just writing. Write London, Baku. It doesn't matter. Istanbul here. Yes, search from here. And what do you want to know? Precipitation, first one. Wind, second one. Temperature and humidity, pressure. You have to give information about that. Small, concise, and look at here. These rules should be followed. Water, it is wet or not. The weather is wet or not.
We're talking about this Azerbaijan visit. Now we're talking about the world countries visit. England, then London. The London visit is precipitation is 0.3. Then wind is 18. Then temperature is 9 Celsius and the humidity is 81 and pressure is 918. It's me, Hədəfdə.
Thank you. Okay, your leader, please. Come on. Your country is Azerbaijan, Baku, right here. Baku.
Hey guys, today is 22nd of January and I share forecast
28th of
28th
of January.
28th of January and I share forecast with you. Now
This is Azerbaijan.
This is Azerbaijani map and I share Baku's air condition with you. First let's start precipitation. Baku's precipitation for today, it's partly cloudy and wind 15 kilometers in an hour.
Yeah.
And today Baku's temperature will be 7 degrees and humidity is 78%. And then and today's Baku's pressure in air actually 1,028.
It's so high, yeah.
Yes, really 1,028. I don't know how we read this.
Hectopascal.
Hectopascal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
128 hectopascal.
Yeah, thank you. You please, your group, yeah, come. Your country is?
Our country is Istanbul.
First, introduce.
The capital city of Turkey. In Turkey, the weather is completely clear. The precipitation it shows that there is no rain actually in Istanbul. The winds kind is southwest wind, and the speed of wind is 10 kilometers per hour. Temperature is 12 Celsius. Humidity is 60%, and the pressure of weather is 1,020 hectopascal.
Okay, thank you. Okay, you can take a seat. I think we have finished our lesson because we wanted visit Canada. We wanted to make a studio for you. We wanted you just to be a presenter, as a real presenter. That's why we used this app. I think you liked it, yeah? We have finished all the lesson. Thank you for your participation.